Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Shopify to Brevo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, go to Zapier. Zapier is a platform used for automating tasks between different apps. In Zapier, you can integrate a wide range of apps to automate workflows and tasks across different platforms. Now, in the top left corner, click on Create and select Zaps. In the first bar, search for Brevo and click on it. In the second bar, search for Shopify and click on it. Go back to the Brevo setup and complete the trigger event. Sign into your Brevo account. To get your API key, go to Brevo, click on your profile in the top right corner, select SMTP and API. Next, click on the API key option. Go to the top right corner and select Generate a new API key. Write the name of API key, click Generate Key, then copy the API key. Finally, return to Zapier and paste your API key. Click Yes to continue and complete the test. Now move on to the Shopify setup. Complete the action event, sign into your Shopify account, and enter your Shopify URL. Click Yes to continue, complete the configuration, and test. Finally, click Publish, and you're done. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.